Good evening, everyone. Well, it's the weekend again, and it wouldn't be the same if we weren't
At the
running away in the
roundabout,
caravan.
take the first exit to A1M.
So, this weekend we're having a couple of days away at Bawtry Caravan Park, which is...
Take the exit on the left toward Newark, then keep left.
Which is just...
Keep left to A1M.
And she's finished. Which is just the other side of Doncaster. So we're going to be going down the A1 to the M18 and then on towards Bawtry, quite close to Robin Hood Airport, the other side of Yorkshire Wildlife Park. So we've got a little bit of motorway driving to do, and then we'll not be too far away. So we'll be in touch in a little bit. Keep watching. See you later. Bye.
Take exit 34 on the left to A614, then enter the roundabout. At the roundabout, take the first exit to A614. In 3.5 miles, turn right onto A614. Turn right onto A614.
This is the same thing.
Oh, yeah, we'll go there. Just to...
In 1.5 miles, arrive at DN10 6RD on the right. Arriving at DN10 6RD on the right.
Not just yet.
It's just there. I'm loving the trees.
Fancy caravans, eh?
This could be it. Hello. Yeah, are you?
Yeah, bad guys. Right, want to be second left,
Yeah.
yeah, and then your first right, and I'll come show you what to cut it is.
Right. All right then. Thank you.
Just like friends.
It's nice.
Share something out.
I know. It's proper nice. And then she said, "Which right was it?"
First time.
On one of these tours. Never mind. Let's keep going. See you now.
Let's try that.
Just one then. I am desperate.
That one. Super.
Lovely.
Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you very much. Get more to move it out then.
Yeah. Are you going to park it to the thingy side? So I have got the awning.
So this is us. This is our little setup here at Bawtry Caravan Park. I thought we'd just take you for a little walk around the site, show you the limited facilities, but they're more than adequate for what we want this weekend. We just wanted a quiet little getaway weekend. Didn't we, sweetie? She's gone all mute again because camera's on. So what we've got here is a newly developed shower toilet block. Got a nice little seating area. Sit out, picnics in the sunshine, socially distanced of course. A few other campers here, caravanners, here within the trees. Let's excuse the light aircraft flying over. We're not too far away from Robin Hood Airport, so there's some pretty big airplanes come over, but it's a little Cessna type airplane flying over at the moment. The site's been recently renovated. It did become a little run down a few years ago, and the new owners have basically refurbished everything. All the pictures have been relaid, gravel, trees have been cut back and cropped. And it's looking really nice. It's what it is. And it's been reopened as an adult only site, so sorry families, no children. Oh yeah, see?
Big up there's really high then.
Yes. Ours is blowing in the wind. More seating to allow people to socialise. Nice mixture of pictures, so some grass between the trees here and a woodland walk. I think there's some work going on within the woods tree. So some nice grass pictures. It's quite reminiscent of France actually, when where all the campsites tend to be within pine groves. That's one heck of a mobile home. Hiya.
Morning. Afternoon, should I say? Good morning.
So the site's equipped for motorhomes. I don't think there's a motorhome service point, but it takes caravans, tents. You're welcome to bring your own in. There's the entrance over there. Barriered entrance. This is a dog walk area. I think it's earmarked as an overflow, as an extension to the site. Non-serviced, non-electric. And as if by magic, the sun's coming out. There's that picture over there. There's the entrance barrier. The only downside with the barrier is that the keypad is over there, which is, as you can see, quite away from the barrier. So there's the keypad, and over there's the barrier. Luckily it's open for long enough for you to be able to press the button and get out. Some excuse the shaky camera, I don't know what's up with my arms today. Some lovely laid out little garden areas. Bit of reindeer, bit of topiary. There we are, back at the beach. Corner holding the flag up. So don't forget, guys, repeat after me, Courtney. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and click on the notifications icon so you get further videos from us. So until next time, what do we say, Courtney? Bye! For those of you wondering where our little hubby is, she's here on our bathroom floor where she normally is. Say hello.